And we're back to learning Gimp in a year, day 2. Let me show you how you can change the language. We go to Edit, Preferences, and then use Interface. And it should be the first option. We're going to use English, EN-US. So use English. If you change it, for example, let me change it to Spanish. You see it doesn't change directly. You have to confirm via OK and then close and restart Gimp. And then the new language that's set should be active. So that's how you change the language. But one more thing, in this tutorial playlist, they've actually released Gimp 3.2. So talking about bad timing, I made my installation video, I believe 2 or 3 days ago, and literally the next day they released the newest 3.2 version. So obviously we're going to use that new version. Therefore I have to update my version here. To do it, just follow the link right here. I'm going to use the Windows version. And if you've watched the last video for installation, you don't have to continue watching this. I'm just going to go over the installation yet again. As I've said, it was bad timing on my end, but I didn't know that the new version was set to be released. So making an installation video was kind of like the worst time for me. Alright, we've got it installed, and when I run it, this should now be in German because I've downloaded it with the German IP. And therefore it's going to be set automatically to the language where you live. As I said, we want to use English, so I'm going to close this window here. I go to Edit, Preferences. In German it's Bearbeiten und Einstellungen. Oberfläche, which is the interface. I switch it to English. Then I have to close Gimp and restart it. And you can already see this loading window has an English language. And when it's open, everything is now in US English. So that's where we want to start. Once again, Gimp 3.2 is now the version that we're going to use. And when there are bigger updates, while I'm working on this big playlist, I'm going to update it again. But when I do, I'm going to mention it specifically. So for now, we are in 3.2 and you can find that under help about Gimp. And that's all for now. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.